Removing the taillight on a third generation Mitsubishi Outlander is fairly straightforward. It's just a matter of removing these two screws. You can see they are Phillips head, and then when you pull the taillight out, it just slides directly back. It doesn't come out at an angle, it comes directly back. And there can be a little bit of struggle to get a grip here and to pull, but if you can get enough force to pull it backwards, the clips will release. And with the two screws removed and set aside, you'll have a little give already. And what you want to do is, again, get that force to come fully back, not outward, because you don't want to rip those clips. Oh, there we go. So mine came off very easily. The first time you remove it, there's a lot more struggle. Just make sure you're not pulling away from the car, because there's a clip right here, and if you snap that clip off, it really holds this whole, I guess, a wing of the taillight in place. So you don't want to break that clip.